What's up, everybody? Good evening, good morning, whatever's going on in your life, awesome. So today, in a couple minutes, I'm gonna talk about what are my 2 key tips for a newbie to make this wholesale real estate thing so fucking simple so you can make some money fairly quickly, okay? Fairly quickly is the key. So before we get into that, you know, if you haven't taken the time and you guys like this kind of content, I really appreciate it. Honestly, it would mean like a ton to me if you'd subscribe, you know, whether you're watching this thing on YouTube, whether you're listening to my podcast, it'd really mean a lot, and you can leave some reviews or, you know, hit the subscribe button. And if you like some free shit, I have raulbulufa.com. You can see more free stuff. But anyways, let's get into it, guys. So I love breaking down principles. It's literally one of my favorite things to do. It's like, once you start getting good at something, I think when you really start mastering it is when you can make something so complicated to like 1 to 3 steps, okay? And I'm gonna give you my two top steps for making money in wholesale today. And the first thing is get leads, okay? And in any business, leads are so fucking key, right? Why the fuck do people put it off? Like, why do people not put importance on it? I don't know, it defeats me. Now, get leads is this whole world on its own, right? Get leads, oh my God, you know, I could do cold calling. Oh my God, I could do mail. Oh my God, I could do blah, blah, blah. I could do door knocking. I could do, you know, I could climb a tree and with a bandit sign. Whatever it is, I don't care. Get leads, okay? Just know that without leads, you're never gonna have a business, right? When I first started, I got a lot of leads on the MLS. If you're a realtor, that might be a good place to start because you have access to it and there's people that want to sell their house there. Call them, get the leads, send them offers, generate your pipeline of leads of people who want to sell or might want to do something in real estate, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Get leads is number 1. Number 2 is make offers. And make offers has its own little world as well. Make offers could be either go in person and go on appointments and make offers. Make offers could be, this rock's a little funky here. Make offers could be do it over the phone. Make offers could be on the MLS. So I don't really care how you do it. Just make offers, okay? The way we like to do it is MLS and on appointments. So we get leads through MLS and make them offers. We get leads through direct mail, cold calling, and RBM, and then we go on appointments and make them offers. Does that make sense? I want to break it down in those 2 things for you. If you ask someone else a different question, like if we were to talk one day, and you'll say, hey, Raul, this hasn't worked for me yet. And the question I'm going to ask is, how many leads are you getting? How many offers are you making? Why? Those are directly tied to your fucking income. If you do not make an offer on a lead that you got, how do you expect to close that deal? How do you expect to get it signed? How do you expect to sell it? Okay? So get leads, make offers. Get leads, make offers. If you want to make offers in appointments, that's up to you. We love to do it that way. I'm kind of like old school in that nature. If you want to make offers over the phones, I love that. I love that strategy too. We've closed a bunch of deals on the phones. If you want to make offers virtually, through like fucking texting or emailing or I don't know, whatever, just know that you gotta make some offers. So let me give you a little bit of numbers. So for leads, nationwide, if you're really good, it's gonna take you about 25 leads to get a deal. What is a lead? We determine a lead in our business, someone who wants to sell in the next 12 months. That's a lead. Some people determine a lead as a phone call. Some people determine a lead as someone who wants to sell in 3 months. I determine a lead of someone who wants to sell in 12 months. So if we get, right now we're at 29. If we get 29 of those people, we're gonna close 1. So that just gives you some perspective of how many numbers you need. For making offers, for every 10 appointments that we go on and present an offer, we get a deal. And that's because we're pretty good, right? If you're starting, and we go on every appointment, so those numbers can be skewed, right? If you're going on more qualified appointments, meaning you get the lead and they want 100,000 and your offer is 80,000, that's a qualified lead. We go on leads that even if they want 100, but the house is worth 50, we'll still go. So that's why our numbers are that. But I'd recommend going on all of them, but that's just me. Now that's just some numbers. If you're doing them on the phones, I don't have a ton of experience on the phone, so take this with a grain of salt. But from our experience, it takes about like 18 to 20 offers over the phone to get one accepted, right? We might not be doing it right. We might not be the best in the business, you know, whatever. That's just my experience. And if you're doing it through some other virtual medium, let's call it MLS or something, every market's so different, but it might take you probably like 30 to 40, okay? If you're doing it the other way. In person, highest probability. Second is a phone call. Third is email, some correspondence. So the point that I'm getting at is leads and offers. I would love for you guys to say it with me. Let's take a deep breath real quick. How fucking beautiful this place is, man. I love Miami, right? I love Miami. If you guys ever visit, you gotta hit me up. But leads and appointments. Leads and appointments. So if someone comes up to you on the street and says, hey, what do you do? Oh, I do wholesale. Cool, what are the two most important things? What do you say? Leads and appointments. Guys, I love you people. I love doing these videos, especially in a beautiful day like this. Again, I'd really appreciate if you like this stuff and you want to see more. We're always posting new stuff. Comment, subscribe. You can leave some reviews. And if you're watching this on iTunes, that's awesome. Again, I have some website, raulblufer.com, for more free stuff. Love you people. Have an awesome Zen. One love, people. Make some fucking deals happen. Make some deals happen. Get some leads. Get some sales. Make some offers. Peace.